Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here with something kind of exciting. Tracy from Mercy Tiara messaged me and asked if I would be a guest designer for the month of July with her third kit from the Mercy Tiara kits. And I'm so honored and excited to do this. I was on vacation, so of course I'm coming to this late, but it's all good. We're gonna jump in and I'm gonna share with you the kit. It's been shared very, very lovely by her design team and of course Tracy herself, but I'm going to look through it and maybe make some page kits with it. A few things. So I did get the main kit itself, which is priced at $52.89 Canadian. There is an embellishment add-on for $37 Canadian, and the additional pattern papers that you can get for $14.55. Plus there's cardstock add-on as well that you could get that coordinates with it, which was priced at $7.93 Canadian. So just so you're aware of the prices, I'm gonna get these all out and hopefully it won't be too loud here. And again, remember, these have all been shared so very lovingly by her design team and herself. So I probably am not going to go too in depth, more like what I see on how I can make this fun kit work for me. I'm very, very excited about this. As you guys all know, I'm on a spending freeze. And so as much as I wanted to be able to get the kits right off the bat, I'm trying to honor my spending freeze, and I won't order until that wraps up in November, and then I'll probably try and backdate on some kits if I can. Currently, I know the Feeling Groovy, so her very first kit, the main kit is still available, and then June's kit, which was so awesome, I really loved that one as well, is also still available in her shop if you're interested and want to get your hands on it. Okay, so we've got pattern papers. This one, obviously, these are all going to be summer, right? That's the whole point. It's called Summer Vibes. But I do see this one as being really fun to fussy cut out and then lay back on, maybe not on the cream paper because I do struggle with cream. However, this is also very pretty. So it's a good thing I have two pieces of it because I could see doing something like that as well. I love this for summer agenda. I actually think for my road trip, I might trim this out and get that included in my road trip layouts with this. So pretty. Now these, the first one was Simple Story. This one is Pink Fresh. We've got a fun cut apart. That will be fun. Ooh, this makes me think of water, of course. That was Pink Fresh. I like this one as well. Some lovely flowers. And then this blue side as well. Oh, I'm not sure. I see fussy cutting out these scallops and doing something with that. We have, oh, I love, that's my favorite color there. So some more Simple Stories. Ooh, that's really fun. Okay, we've got, this makes me think of ice cream when I look at that. Oh, because it is, look at, it's Simple Stories Retro Summer. It's called 2 Scoops. So of course it makes me think of ice cream because there's that fun ice cream thing. All right, we have the Cartabella, the scissors, and the pink. More ice cream. So I'm obviously going to be doing an ice cream layout, like that's just a must, so we'll go ahead and put those together. We have this one, which is really fun with all the words. I love a good word one. Actually both of these would make great backgrounds because I have both sheets of it, of course. And then this is a really pretty background option there with a fun floral. I see rainbows. How cute is that rainbow? This is Chamel main character. And that pretty color, that purpley kind of red color that Chamel's known for. A lovely cut apart. This is going to be great. I'm going to cut some of these out and put this in my road trip album as well. And then there's a background option. And then all of these fun little icons. And this one, which also makes me think of a background. So I love these papers. They're so cool. I'm gonna have to pick some awesome photos to play with. I definitely will get a ice cream and a pool themed going on, and that's what I saw when I flipped through those quickly. There is this fun Simple Stories retro summer journal bits, so that's awesome. I'll find those little pieces to add on. Some sequins. How pretty are those? We've got the ephemera pack to it, so that'll be fun to pull out all the little bits. Some puffy stickers from Pink Fresh. I love all of these little things. Again, I'm going to put all the ice cream into one and try to make a fun ice cream layout. A set of stickers in this beautiful color. These are Pink Fresh. Some florals, so you know I will do a fun floral themed layout. Look at these little bits with all the fun fruits and stuff. Love that. Some pre-made titles, which is great. I love pre-made titles. A smaller alpha with all these fun colors. And then there's pink on the back. We've got the sticker sheet. Ooh, these are fun. I love these. I like this here too. And there's the back side of it. And then we have a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which is awesome. And you can do lots of things, but of course this is a crafty theme, so maybe I will document a bit about my craft room with that. And then of course we have the paper again, so that's really exciting. And I will pull through and we'll try and get some kits created. Okay, so I have taken away, oops, I need to zoom out a little bit there. There you go. I have taken away the embellishments because we'll get back to that, and we're going to just go through the paper in my plans here. So I really love this paper. I think it'll make an awesome background. So we're going to put that in the background pile. And then the back of it is this blue, like the little icons. And actually, it actually fits with the Chamel really well. Look at that color combo. Oh, this is so cute. I'm going to put that with this. Yeah, I'm going to use this as like a layering piece with this Chamel paper. So that will be a layout. I'll just put those there. Let's see. This one I want to, definitely one of these are going to get cut up. I want to get these in with my travel album. So I'm going to actually put this one to the side so it's an embellishment. We've got this one. Don't want to do rainbows and flowers. That's too much. And I like this blue on that. However, I do like this together. Maybe. I don't know. Kind of like that. I definitely want this to be a background, and then the other side, which is the yellow, let me find it. Where's the other one? Here it is. Make that a background as well. So I've got 3 backgrounds going on, and I'm not sure about that one yet. So we're going to leave that one for a minute. I'm going to do an ice cream page. So we're going to go ahead and grab those. I wonder if I should grab, I don't know what we're going to do here, because I'm going to probably fussy cut out. I have the photos for this one already, actually. Hopefully that's popped up. So I'm actually just going to grab where's the other ones? There, one anyways. Because I could do one with a border of this brown, and then the other one can be, sorry, just looking for it. Here it is. Okay. And then I think we could use this as like a border for a different one. So I'll have these 3 together as a kit. Okay. Let's see. Card Bella is the crafty one, right? So I'm not sure about that one yet. I'll put those ones down to the bottom. This is it's a fun green color, so we'll definitely use one of them as a background. I have this one, which I think actually goes with this yellow really well. And the back of it, kind of, but I like that. So we'll put that with that one. And then this one makes me think of water. And we have that cut apart. So maybe we'll do this as a background. We're gonna trim this and put this in with my travel, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do afterwards with it, but for sure one of those is going. So I'm gonna put that aside. We're definitely gonna use this and fussy cut this out as a layout onto something. Then we've got this one. So we've already done that side. So we have this side available to us. And it does kind of match with that flower. So I'll put that one with that. Okay, now I kind of like this. Sorry, I just shook you all about. I didn't mean to do that. I apologize. And I think this could go either way. I think we could do 1, 2, 3, or we could do this, like use these as something to add to this. So we'll put those together. Put this aside with it. I'm actually wondering if I can turn this into a 2-page spread. That could be possible. With a border, some white cardstock, and then go from there. So I'm going to leave those together. We did that floral. I think I want to do something with the scallops on this and play off of that, so that can be a layout. This one, I think we'll probably end up fussy cutting this out for embellishments. I love this side, so we're going to use this as a layout for something as well. And then maybe we can incorporate this. We could actually probably do trim this a little. Put this on white with a white cardstock base, and then have this be like a little border for it. So I'm going to put those together. I'm not sure what to do with this one, so I'm going to hold off on that. This is the same. This is the same color as that, so I'm going to put this for a layering piece. And then we have this really fun. I still don't know what to do with this one. What about with the one we want to do the 3? It's this one, right? This. Can we go like, can we do that? What do we think? I don't know that I... Yeah, I think we could do that. And then we'll use this in case we end up using it for another one. All right, so that will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, unless I combine, but I technically have 11 bases going on, so that's really cool. I need to come find some photos to work with that, which I will do offhand, and then we'll pull in the embellishments that came with the the kit as well. So that is my plan. That's how I've broken that up, and I can't wait to get it started and start working on that. I just need to go get my photos printed, so hopefully I can do that in the next couple days, and I will have a layout up for you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Tracy for letting me be a guest designer. I'm so very excited, and I'll see you all again soon. Links for the Kit Club is down below. Bye everyone.